a power m into a power n we discussed. Then the next law is with the same basis, Ishwar. Like for example, a power m into a power n. You observe here bases are same. Then it will become a power m plus n. Then how can we do the sums on this? Means what in this case, powers get added. Okay, Ishwar?
Yes, sir.
Powers get added. So in that way, how we can apply this? For example, if you have a fraction like this, 5 by 3 whole power 2 into 5 by 3 whole power minus 2. Let us take. So when bases are same, we can just add the powers. Become 5 by 3 whole power 2 plus minus 2. As per
Yes, sir.
this law, so just if you observe this, a is 5 by 3, here also a is 5 by 3. M and n are 2 and minus 2. We have to just add them on the power with a common base. Only one base will combine. Then
Yes,
2
sir.
plus minus 2 will become how much? 2 plus of minus is minus 2 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is
0.
so 5 by 3 whole power 0 it will become. So now we have one more law of exponent. Yeshua, any base power 0 is, any idea? Any base power 0 is
Sir, same
1.
base.
Actually, anything power 0 is 1, Yeshua.
Yes, sir.
So this 5 by 3 whole power 0 answer will become finally 1.
1.
So to revise one more law of exponent, I just took this example. So now here we have used two more laws. That is this one, a power m into a power n is a power m plus n, and a power 0 is 1. If you see anywhere like with the base power 0, it will be 1 only always. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now same, it just with the same law, Isha, like here yesterday we learned one with product, that is one is with multiplication and another is with division. No, here also same. Now this is with multiplication. There is one more law with division. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is another? So can you tell Ishwan what I should write? A power m divided with
Sir, a power n.
the a power. Means the difference is your multiplication now. This one is division. So
Yes,
a
sir.
power m divided with a power n. So here powers got added now, Ishwan, in this law.
Yes,
Here
sir.
powers will get subtracted, reverse.
Yes, sir.
M minus n it will be. Okay. So then any example can we take? Means for example, let us take 5 power 8 divided with 5 power 3. 5 power 8 divided with 5 power 3. Normally, if we do this summation, we have to do 5 power 8 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 8. That is very 5. You have to write it 8 times. Okay, it will take a lot of time. 5 that many times multiplication and this also. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. So it will take a lot of time to find out these values and then division, to do that division. It will take a lot of time.
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason, what we will do, we will just use this law of exponent. The sum will become very easy for us. So according, if you just compare this with this ratio, can you tell what is a m and n values? Just compare
Sir,
these two.
sir, A is 5, M is 8, and N is 3.
Yes, sure. Now we'll use that RHS, sure. So according to, if I write the RHS, what I have to write now?
Sir, 5, 5, 8 power minus 3.
Yes, sure. 5 power 8 minus 3. So 5 power
5.
is, that is correct. So like this, sure. So this we should use it if bases are same, powers are different. If division is there, means simply we'll write a common base, only one base. If powers will just subtract. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So only one. How many now? How many laws over Ishwar? Yesterday we discussed three. Now three. Only one is left.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today we discussed with the same bases, different powers and multiplication and division. Yesterday we
Yes, sir.
discussed different bases, same powers. Yesterday. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And finally, a power 0 is 1. One more. Last 6 are over. Final law of exponent. a power minus n. A power minus n, that is whenever you see a base with negative power extra, just this base gets reciprocated. Reciprocated means what? This has no denominator, means by 1, no?
Yes, sir.
So this will become 1 by a. 1 by a, and the negative power of a will become positive. Means
Yes,
a
sir.
power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Simply. So these are the 7 laws ratio. Now once when we should use this, I'll give you an example. Like for example, if you have a thing like 5 power minus 3 ratio, let us take. So just compare this with this ratio. 5 power minus 3 and a power minus n. Compare it once.
Sir, 1 by 5
1 by
power 3.
this ratio, like that. So a is 5, we wrote a as it is, and n that will become positive. Minus 3 will become plus 3. Students will do one mistake as well. Here 5 also, this base also they'll write here minus by mistake. That will not become negative. If suppose this is negative, that will become positive here. If required, if that is positive, you can, this will become negative. Okay, if you
Yes, sir.
want, for example, that law can be used in both the ways. Suppose if you want to write 5 power 3, already positive power is there, you want to write it like this, means it will become negative.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like that. Both the ways you can use that. Because here n is 3, it will become whatever opposite sign it will be. Plus means minus, minus means plus.
Yes, sir.
So now once I write all the laws of exponents in an order ratio, 7 laws. Shall I delete this?
What, sir?
Shall I delete this ratio? I'll write all the laws in an order.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. The first one, today whatever I have written, those you can note it down or you can learn it as well on the screen only. So a power m into a power m is a power m plus n. Then a power m divided with a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Then a power m into b power m. This is with yesterday we discussed. Different bases, same power. It will become ab power. Then a power m divided with b. A divided by b whole. Okay. Then finally a power m whole power n is equal to, yesterday only we discussed this. Both the powers get multiplied if you remember.
Yes, sir.
Then a power 0. Today we discussed a power 0 is anything power 0 will be 1. It will become 1. Then negative power a power minus will become 1 by a power positive. These are the 7 laws, Ishwa. Once you quickly learn it and tell me orally, Ishwa. So here, if you see this 10th question number 10, evaluate 1 by 3 power minus 1 and minus 1 by 4 power minus 1 whole power minus 1. So which law we can apply for this ratio? First, whenever you see negative powers ratio, you have to make them positive. Okay? Because we cannot solve the sum with negative powers. It is not easy. That's why. So we can use a power minus n formula for this ratio. A power minus n is what? Law of exponent a power minus 1. Before we learned that 1 by a power n. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So now in the place of a, we have 1 by 3 ratio. You can imagine just. This is minus n. In the place of a, we have 1 by. So 1 by a it will become. Means what? 1 by a means what? Reciprocal. So 3 by 1 power plus 1. Means why I'm writing 1 there? Because reason is, when it is a power minus n, 1 by, here also actually I should write it like this ratio. But 1 power anything is 1 only. So this power n they'll write just for a. Because 1 power anything is 1 only. 1 power n if you write also 1 only. So that's why you'll write it as 1 by a power n there. But actually, the thing is, we have to write this as like this. This thing we have to write like this actually. 1 by a whole power n. Okay. But why we write it like 1 by a power n is because this n is applicable for 1 and a, both of them. So 1 power anything is 1 only. So that's why they'll write this as 1 by a power n. Since 1 is there. So here now what I'm doing is Ashwa. So simply you can remember it like a easy way. Whenever you see a negative power for a fraction, just reciprocal it and make the power positive. And that is with this law only actually. This law of exponent only will get from. Okay. So simply here what I have to write now, 3 by 1 whole power, negative power will become positive power. Okay.
Positive.
Now same way, can you tell this Ishwana? 1 by 4 whole power minus 1 will become how much?
Sir, 4 by 1 whole power 1.
Yes, Ishwana. Now this is just this part only. We didn't still touch this minus 1. That minus 1 can be solved only if we make this into a single fraction. Okay.
Yeah.
So that minus 1 is actually for the entire thing. This entire thing.
Yes, sir.
So you should know what I'm doing is this inside part 3 by 1 is nothing but
3.
3. So 3 power 1 is
Sir, 3.
3. So this part will become 3 and the other one 4 by 1 whole power 1 will become
Sir, 4.
4 whole power minus 1. Now 3 minus 1 or after solving this then only we can apply this minus 1. So 3 minus 4 will become how much?
Sir, minus 1.
Minus 1. Minus 1 power
Minus
minus.
1.
So Yeshwar, now again it looks this law only you have to apply. A is
Yeah.
minus 1. So what I have to write, can you tell?
Sir, 1 by 1 by minus 1 whole power 1.
1. So 1 by minus 1 power 1. So this 1 if you don't write also finally it is 1 because 1 power 1 means it is same number. No?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by minus 1. 1 by minus 1 is simply negative by positive. 1 by 1 means 1. 1 by minus 1 is minus. So the reason is if you divide any positive with negative, it is negative answer only.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt in this?
No, sir.
The answer is minus 1. Shall I go to the second one, Ishma?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So here, Yeshwar, students will do one mistake. What is the mistake is they will in this particular one they're writing this minus one also as positive one. That is wrong. Only power will become positive. Means power. Suppose if it is negative, that will become positive. If it is positive, that will become negative. But base sign will not change. The base sign is negative. That should be written as it is. Students are changing that also. Okay. If it is plus 2, should be plus 2 only written here also. If it is minus 2, then also minus 2. Base we should not change. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. The next one. Can you observe and tell here, Yeshua, which law we can use? Because you can see bases are also different, powers are also different. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, but what we can do is, once can you make this power positive, Yeshua, by like how you did for this? Can you make this power positive? So to make this power positive, what I have to do using this law?
Sir, 8 by 5 whole power 7.
Into this one I'm not changing. Why? Because I can change that, but I'm voluntarily not changing because the reason is in the original question Ishwa, bases are also not same, even powers are also not same. That is the reason.
Mm.
Okay. So if I change this also positive, again bases will become 5 by 8, this is 8 by 5. So we cannot use any law of exponent.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
That is the reason why I changed only one of them. You can change if you want, you can change even this also. This you can keep as it is.
Yes,
By
sir.
observation, it is just by observation. So with practice, you will also get it. So here, now what I'm doing is simply the bases are same. Which law we can use? Bases are same, multiplication is there. Which law we can use?
Sir, a power m into a power n equals to a power m plus n.
Yes, sure. So we can use this looks like a power m into a power n is equal to the law is a power m plus n. So a is 8 by 5 now.
Yes, sir.
Whole power m is
Sir, 7
n.
minus 4.
So n 7 plus minus 4, no? Bracket open. Because negative
Yes,
is
sir.
there. So then 8 by 5 whole power 7 plus of minus is minus 7 minus 4. It will become 8 by 5 whole power
3.
6. That is correct. So like this issue. So if you want, you can find out the final value of that also. 8 by 5 whole power 3 means what is the answer is 8 by 5. Since if the power is smaller, you can do the final answer also. Otherwise, you can leave it there only. Like if 8 by 5 power 10 you got means you can leave it there only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 8 8 is 64, 8 is 5 12 you will get it. And 5 is 25 is 1. Like,
Yes, sir.
shall I delete? Shall I delete it? Aisha, once check if you have any doubt, you can take screenshot of it.
Yes, sir.
Shall I delete it, Aisha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. No. Ninth one, Aisha. Let's read the question, Aisha.
Sir, if 4 power x minus 4 power x minus 1 equals to 24, then find the value of x.
Yes, Aisha. Now what I'm doing is, Aisha, to find out the value, this is an equation actually, if you observe LHS is there, RHS is. So 4 power x minus is there. So what I'm doing is, Aisha, here, the question is 4 power x minus 4 power x minus. So what Aishwa here, this is looking like which law any one of them with power negative two number subtraction is there. So is there any law with subtraction on the top?
Sir, a power m by a power n equals to a power m minus 1.
Yes, Aishwa. This is looking like a power m minus n, no?
Yes, sir.
So we'll write it like a power m by a power n, that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I write like that, Aishwa, it is 4 power x minus 4 power x. Can you tell Aishwa a power m by a power n? If I write what I have to write?
Sir,
If I want to write this as a power m by a power n, because it looks like a power m minus n, I want to write it as a power m by a power n ratio.
yes, sir.
So what I have to write now for this?
Sir,
A 4,
a power x,
4
sir,
power
a,
x,
yes, sir, 4
4 power
power x by 4 power x.
n is 1 there.
Yes, sir.
Means 4 power 1, which is 4 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to right side 24. Now we should do LCM here, Ishwa. Okay,
Yes,
or
sir.
else you will take 4 power x common. 4 power x if you take common, here 1 will come minus 1 by 4. Actually, this you will common taking you will learn in factorization chapter ratio actually. Okay,
Yes,
factor what we did here is this is distributive property, nothing but distributive property. Suppose if you have AB plus AC, if you take A common, you will get A into B plus C. If you remember, just the common thing, I took it out. 4 power x here is there here also and here also. So if I take that out, 4 power x, 4 power x into 1 is 4 power x, 4 power x into this one also is 4 power x. Okay.
yes, sir.
So by 4 will be as it is there. If you want, you can just multiply it and check. 4 power x into 1 is 4 power x. 4 power x into 1 by 4 is 4 power x by 4 only you will get it again.
Yes, sir.
So now 4 power x into 1 minus 1 by 4 is LCM you have to do. By 1 this is into 4 into 4. So 4 minus 1 by, whenever subtraction and addition, it is LCM, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now this is 4 minus 1 is how much, Yeshua? 3 by 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's check, Yeshua, you have any doubt till here?
1 second.
Any doubt, Yeshua?
Sir.
So now this 3 by 4 is multiplied now. So if it will go that side, what it will become? Can you tell? What I have to write if 3 by 4 will go that side? It will become
Sir.
24 divided by 3 by 4. Means 24 into 4 by 3. Simply this fraction which is multiplied here, if it will go that side, it will be divided, Yeshua.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So divided means it will reciprocal, it will become 4 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Now 3 ones are 3 eights are. You can continue. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the next step? Left side we have 4 power x. Right side 8 fours are 30. Now,
Yes.
Ishwa, there is one point called whenever you have a situation like this, bases you must become, means bases we should make it same. Both LHS and RHS, both bases we should make it same. Okay. So
Yes,
for
sir.
that, prime factorization, 32 prime factorization. Yesterday we learned prime factorization. Also 32 prime factorization. 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So you'll get 2 power by Ishwa.
Yes, sir.
4 is 2 square. 4 prime factorization is 2 2s are 2 1s are. So this 2 square. What I did, I wrote in the place of 4 2 square, power x is like that only. 32 I wrote it as 2 power.
Yes, sir.
Now Yashma, can you tell which law can we apply for this? Yesterday we already learned. 2 powers are there. Can you tell which law?
Sir, a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn.
Mn, nice Yashma. So what I have to write now using that thing?
Sir, 2 power 2x.
Yes, Yashma is equal to 2 power
25.
5. Okay. So now if there is one point called exponents and powers, Yashma, there is one point called whenever in an equation if bases are same, you can equate the powers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. When bases are equal, or when bases are same, equate the powers. Okay. So what are the powers in the LHS and RHS, Vishwa?
Sir, 2x and 5.
Yes, Vishwa. So I have to equate 2x to 5. So x will become
5 by 2.
2 is multiplied now. So if you go that cell become by 2.
Yes, sir.
So this is the answer for the ninth one, Vishwa. So we
Yes,
have,
sir.
I think they asked x only. Here we can see find the value of x. These are the models, Yeshua. If you understand these questions, you can just, if you have solutions for other questions in your textbook also, solutions of the notes also, if you observe the steps, you'll understand it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeshua, shall I delete this, Yeshua? You have any doubt in the middle of the step anywhere? This is the only new thing here. After writing that negative power as 4 power x by using a power m divided, this we wrote it using a power m divided with a power n. That is a power m minus n, we wrote a power m by a power n. Then we took 4 power x common there in both of them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is 4 power x common. Whenever same number is taken common, there 1 will come. Because same thing, no, into 1 time. That's why. 4 power x into 1, 4 power x. That's
Yes,
I'm
sir.
deleting.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then the next question we do is wait one. Find the value of x if find the value of x if this is equal to 190. 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x. This is same like how we took 4 power x common before Ashwa here. You remember? Like that. LHS, you can take 2 power x common in all of this.
Yes, sir.
So now what I have to write, the question is 2 power x plus 2 power x plus 2 power x is equal to 192. So 2 power x, if I take common, I'll get same number. Should, if it is taken common, what I should write, ratio 1, because if you multiply it back, you should get this only, no?
Yes, sir.
2 power x into 1 is 2 power x. Then plus, in this place also what I have to write now?
Sir, 2 power x.
Again 1 only I have to write, ratio.
Yes,
Because
sir.
you have to, if you multiply it, you have to get back this only, no?
Yes, sir.
So then plus 2 power x into 1 more is there. So what I have to write again?
Sir, 1.
Is ratio is equal to 190. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1.
Sir, 3.
So 2 power x into p is equal to 192. 2 power x is equal to 3 is multiplying, no? We'll go that side. It will be
Division, sir.
this ratio, no, by 3. So what is 192 by 3 ratio?
Sir, 62.
This ratio. So 2 power x is equal to, I think 64, I think ratio.
Sir, yes, sir, 64.
64. Now same point ratio. In before question we used, no? So this will go 3 1 is 364 times. So in before question we used one law of exponent. We have to make, whenever you have a here equation, now we have to make the bases same. Then only we can find out the x, because x is in the power, here 2 is the 64.
Yes, sir.
So what is the prime factor ratio of 64 ratio? Okay.
Hello, sir.
Prime factor ratio of 64 ratio.
Yes, sir.
Because now we have to make the bases.
Yes, sir.
You need to do it ratio quickly. What I have to write? Ratio.
Yes, sir. You have to write, sir, 2 power 6.
Yes. Now we can see ratio again equation and it's both the bases are same.
Yes, sir.
In bases are same. Equate the terms. So x is how much ratio now?
Sir, 6.
Yes. Oh. We'll delete it ratio.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Then 8th one b bit ratio. If you observe, so 8 power 255 is equal to 32 power x. So you can see ratio both the bases are different. So here already only one number is a real one. Just will make the bases same by using prime factorization.
Yes, sir.
So 8 prime factorization is so how much ratio?
Sir, 2 power 3.
So this is 2 power 3 whole power 255 is as it is.
Yes, sir.
No, 32 prime factorization.
Yes, sir.
To 16 to 8 to 4 to 2 to 32 is equal to 2 power 5 power. Any doubt Esho answer?
No, sir.
Yes, Esho. Now can you tell which law can we apply for this?
Sir, a power m whole power n is equals to a power m n.
Yes, Esho. So what I have to write Esho now?
Sir, 2 power 3 into 255.
Yes, Esho. Is equal to 2 power 5 into x. Okay. Same. Here also same law we used.
Yes, sir.
What is the law? A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now again, Ishwa, what is the point which we can use now when bases are same?
Equate powers.
Yes, yes. So we'll equate what is 3 into 255? That value we'll equate it to 5x.
Yes, sir.
So 5x is equal to 3 into 255. X is equal to
Yes,
3 into 255 by 5. Any doubt, Ishwa?
yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Because 5 is multiplied, it will go that shall be division, no, by 5.
Yes, sir.
Then 5 ones are 5 5 is 25.
51.
Yes, Ishwa. So finally x is 3 into 51. X is 150. Any doubt, Ishwa?
No, sir.
So, Isha, you can take the screenshots because you will for just if you observe the steps again, you will recollect everything before exams.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Isha. Shall I delete it, Ishwa?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, seventh question, Ishwa. Find the value of 5 square plus 12 square whole power 1 by 2. So, 5 square plus 12 square whole power. What is 5 square, Ishwa?
Sir, 25.
12 square?
Sir, 12. Where is sir? 144
Ishwa, whole power.
by 2.
So, Ishwa, 144 plus 25 is?
Sir, sir, 168. Sir, 169.
Yes. So, if you observe, I didn't use any law in the starting step. Why? The reason is we don't have any law where plus is there between them. You can check in the laws of exponents. We don't have any law when plus is there between. Even though their 5 square, 12 square powers are same, we cannot apply any law because addition is there. If multiplication is there means you would have used the a power m into b power m a b whole power. Okay.
Yeah.
That is the reason why I did 5 square value, 12 square value. We didn't use any law because addition is there. Then we did that value and we found out 169. And then this can be solved only if you do prime factorization for 169. Can you tell what is the prime factorization of 169? Shona?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Actually, this will go with only 13 table issue. You have to remember because 169 square root is 13. 13 is a prime number. No, it will not go with 169 will not go with any other number except that. So you have to remember a few things. Okay.
yes, sir.
So you have to check how with prime number still 13, it will go with 13. So 13 square actually 169 is equal to 13 square. So here in the place of 169, now I'll write it as 13 square whole power 1 by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now a power, now again which law can you tell us now for this?
Sir, a power m whole power n is equals to a power m.
Mn. So it will become 13 power. What I have to write Ishwa?
Sir, 13 power 2 into 1 by 2.
No,
Sir,
Ishwa. 2 will get cut.
1.
So what is left? 13 power 1,
Yes, sir.
which is nothing but
13.
so here also we used a power m whole power and a power m. In this step, I have applied a power m whole power n is equal to a power n. So this is the answer, Ishwa, final answer.
Yes, sir.
Shall I delete it, Ishwa?
Sir, 1 second.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sixth one, Ishwa. Now in the sixth question, all we have to make the bases same and we have to solve it, Ishwa.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here, first three, we cannot solve anything by looking at the question because we bases are not same, powers are also not same. Okay. So
Yes,
what I
sir.
can do now, I can just apply, I can just do first 16 prime factorization. Can you tell the prime factorization of 16, Ishwa?
Sir, sir, your screen is not sharing, sir.
Yes, Ishwa. Can you tell Ishwa?
Yes, sir.
Prime factorization for 16.
Sir, in 2 table 8. Sir, again in 2 table 4. Again in 2 table 1.
So 2 in 3 into, can I write 2 power
4.
4? Whole power already we have.
3 by 4.
Yes, Ishwa. Then 3 into. Now which log for this, Ishwa?
Sir, a power m whole power n is equals to a power m.
Yes, Ishwa. So I have to multiply now 4 into 3 by 4. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cut it. So will become, what is left, Ishwa, here? 2 power
Sir, 2 power 3.
Yes, Vishwan. Now we cannot do anything, just we need to multiply them. So because bases are different, powers are also different. 2 cube is
Sir.
2 into 2 into 2.
Yes, sir.
In this step, we used a power 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
So here I have used a power n whole power n, which is a power n. So answer is 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12 to the 24. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then next one is, shall I delete it, Ishwan?
Yes, sir.
So same way now 27 prime factorization is what here. B bit. 2 into 27 power minus 2 by 3. So what is the prime factorization of 27, Ishwar?
Sir, in 3 table, sir, in 3 table 9 and again 9. Sir.
3 9 is 3 3 is 3 1 is. So answer is 3 cube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Power minus 2 by 3.
Yes, sir.
So Ishwan, now again same law for this. A power m whole power and a power m. Can you tell what I have to write now?
Sir, 2 into 3 into 3 power 3 into minus 2 by 3.
So for convenience, instead of writing into, I wrote bracket ratio because into and minus together confusion will be there.
Yes, sir.
Bracket means it's into only. So 3 3 will get the cut. Okay. So here I have, we are using a power m, 2 power n, a power m. So ratio of 2 into, what is left beside?
Sir, minus 2.
B power
Minus 2.
yes, yes, sure. So 2 into, here again a power minus n. A power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. After too many sums, we got again this law. So what I have to write ratio now?
Sir,
A power
sir,
n minus n, 1 by a power n law of exponent. So into
into, sir, 1 by 3 power 2. Yes, sir.
1 by 3,
Sir,
only 1
power.
by 3, sure.
No, sir, power 2.
Yes, sure. 1 by 3 power. So whole power 2 also you can write. Whole power 2, if you write also, you have to write again 1 square by 3 square, sure.
Yes, sir.
1 square is anyways 1 only. So directly I'm keeping 2 for 3.
Yes, sir.
So 2 into 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9.
Yes, sir.
So 2 into 1 by 9 is
Sir,
2 by 9.
yes, sir.
It's 2 into 1 is 2 because in multiplication we'll directly multiply the numerators and denominators. 2 has no denominator by 1. 2 by 1 into 1 by 9. 2 into 1, 2 by 1 into 9. 9. No cancellation, no? So directly multiply. This is only the final.
130.
Okay. Shall I delete it, Ashwa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Then last bit. So here, Ashwa, this to make it easy, C bit. Already these two first we will solve because these two why we will solve here bases are same.
Yes, sir.
So these two we can make it into single thing and then it will become easy for us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So sixth one C bit. So the question is Ashwa 2 into 9 power 3 by 2 into 9 power minus 1 by 2. So Ashwa, can you tell now these two which law can we apply?
Sir, sir, a power m into a power n is equals
Yes,
to
Ashwa. A power into a power and a power.
a power m into a power n is equals to a power m plus n.
Yes, Ashwa. So 9 power 3 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2. Okay.
Yes,
Because a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. We apply this law. Bases are same, powers are different. Product is a addition of powers. So 2 into 9 power 3 by 2 plus bracket open minus 1 by 2. It will become 3 by 2 plus of minus is minus. Any doubt, Ishwa?
no, sir.
So what I have to write now? 2 into 9 power
Sir, 2 into
2 by 2.
2. Yes, sir.
3 minus 1, 2 by 2. So 2 into 9 power 2 by 2 is how much, Ishwa?
Sir,
When 2 by 2 is how much?
sir, 1.
So 9 power 1. 9 power 1 is?
9.
So answer is 2 into 9, which is
18,
how much,
sir.
Ishwa?
18,
So
sir.
answer is 8. So like that. By observation, we have to just proceed, Ishwa.
Yes, sir.
Shall I delete it, Ishwa?
Yes, sir.
Then fifth one. This model is important, Ishwa. Same things we should do. If you see any numbers other than prime, Ishwa, first we'll write them in prime factorization form. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what I will do, 8. 8 is there. No, I'll write this 8 as 2 power 3. But before that, Ishwa, what we will do is we will not keep any negative powers. 8 power minus 1 means if you use that law of exponent, it will become 8 power
Sir,
minus 1 means 1 by. Which law we can use it to make it positive power, Ishwa?
sir, a power minus n is equals to 1 by a power whole.
Yes, Ishwa. Can I directly write this as 1 by 8? Power 1, which is 1 by 8.
Yes, sir.
That 8 anyways will come to the denominator. So numerator 1 will be there into 5 power 3 by 8. 1 by 8 is this only, this one.
Yes, sir.
Then 2 power minus 1, 4. 1. This is actually, can imagine this as 1 by 2 power minus 1. Means sir, 2 power minus 4, simply if we take it to the numerator, it will become 2 power plus 4.
Yes, sir.
How? Because Yeshua here, this you can just imagine this as into 1 by 2 power minus 4. This you can separately imagine this as like 8 power minus 1 into 5 power 3 into 1 by 2 power minus 4. Both are same only.
Yes, sir.
Club them also, you can write a common denominator. Multiplication is, so this 1 by 2 power minus 4 will become 2 power 4 if I write it reverse. Because if we
Yes,
take it to
sir.
the numerator, it will become positive. 8 power minus 1 become 1 by 8.
Yes, sir.
This is short. Now, if you observe simplification, 5 power 3 into 2 power 4. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. No?
Yes, sir.
Now, for these two is 2 power 4 by 2 power 3. What it will become? Can I write this step as 5 power 3 into 2 power 4 by 2 power 3? So next one.
Yes, sir.
So now again, which law for this?
Sir, a power n by a power a n is equals to a
Yes,
power n minus 1.
yes, yes, sure. So it will become 2 power 4 minus 3. A power m by a power m is equal to a power m minus. Okay.
Hmm.
So 5 power 3 is 125 into 2 power 4 minus 3 is 2 power 1.
Yes.
5 power 3, how I got 125? So 5 power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 125 into 2 is
Sir. Oh,
250. So the answer for this is finally 258.
yes, sir.
Should we delete it, Ashwa? Any doubt?
1 second, sir. I'm taking screenshot.
Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
Here, just you need to understand that negative powers we made positive, positive powers. Negative powers we made it positive ratio. That's process. We took it the denominator, and this one we took it to the numerator like that.
Yes, sir.
Then next one is for B bit. So 5 power minus 1. 5 power minus 1 will become
Sir.
1 by,
So 1 by 5 whole power 1.
yes, yes. So simply we'll make it all the negative powers will make it positive ratio. Fifth one, this B bit. So 5 power minus 1 will become fifth one B bit. 5 power minus 1 into 2 power minus 1 into 6 power minus 2. So 5 power minus 1 is 1 by 5 into 2 power minus 1 is 1 by 2 into 6 power minus 1 is 1 by
6.
6. So the law which we used for this is a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power. That only for every number. So finally, there are no cancellations also issue here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll multiply the numerators 1 into 1 into 1 1 by 5 into 2 into 6. So 1 by 5 to the 10 is the 60. Any doubt, Ishwa?
No, sir.
So like this Ashwa, these sums. So I think some idea you got it.
Yes,
Only
sir.
thing is you need to make some basis or something or simplification process. You have to do something same Ashwa and you have to proceed. Okay, this ninth root, fourth root, it is not there Ashwa for you. We will not discuss that.
Yes, sir.
Actually, fourth root is nothing but Ashwa. I'll just give you some power 1 by 4 Ashwa. But anyways, they in that form you don't have fourth root of 36 power 2 like that. You don't have anything. 36 square power 1 by 4 you should do it Ashwa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is how we should do that. That anyways, that way we don't have in your 8th class level. We'll leave it that one. This also cube root. I think cube root is there for you. Okay. So Ishwa, or else I'll explain this one also, no problem. Cube root one, if it is written in the other form, Ishwa, okay, these all are this one will do it. Third one will do it. No problem. Fourth one is not required for your. It is not your class. So Ishwa, you have to remember one thing that cube root actually, if it is written on the powers, it will be power 1 by 3 Ishwa. Means
Yes, sir.
cube root, if you take it to the powers, it will be whole power 1 by 3. It is as per the definition of cube.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this cube root, if you remove it, it will become power 1 by 3. Square root means power 1 by 2, like that. Okay. Here similarly, now fourth root means power 1 by 4. The next one is this, which I skipped. Ninth root means power 1 by 1. Okay. Now, any notation?
No, sir.
A prime factorization of 340. So 343 prime factorization, it will go with 7 table only. So 343 is equal to 7 power 3. Okay, Shwa.
Yes, sir.
So 7 power 3. Already here 2 is there.
Yes, sir.
And one more power 1 by 3. So
Yes, sir.
now we'll apply that a power mn. A power m whole power n. You have how many powers on the top also? You can multiply them, Ishwa.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it will become now 7 power 3 into 2 into. Like the two powers are there means the two of them. How many of them are there like that also? We can just simply multiply them, Ishwa.
Yes, sir.
3 into 2 into 1 by 3. It will become 7 power 6, 3 to the 6 into 1 by 3. Okay. 3
Sir,
ones are
7 power 2.
3. Isheshwar, you're asking some doubt.
Sir, I was just saying 7 power 2, sir.
Isheshwar, 7 power 2, which is 7 into 7. Answer is
49.
like that. Shall I delete it, Ishwar?
Yes, sir.
Ishwar. Now same way next one also. Here this one first I have to write it as 81 power 3 power whole power 1 by 2. Square root if you will go to the top powers will become 1 by 2. Like before 1 by 3 it became, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Now same again 81 prime factorization. Or else first what I will do is I'll first multiply these two, then we will do prime factorization of 81. That will be easy. 81 power 3 into 1 by 2. 3 by 2. Okay, sure.
Yes, sir.
Using which law? A power m whole power n is equal to a power n. Then 81 prime factorization. So how many times I show? 327 is 3 nines, 3 threes, 3 1. So 81 is equal to 3 power 4. Any doubt, Ishma?
No, sir.
So it will become 3 power 4 whole power 3 by 2. So which is again same law, this law. A power m whole power n, a power m. It will become 3 power 4 into 3 by 2. We can cut this 2 ones are 2. Sir. Can you tell what I have to write Ishma next step?
Sir, 3 power 6.
3 power s Ishma, 2 into 3. 3 power 6. So 3 power 6 is I think 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. I think 729 I think Ishma.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 729 only. Is it correct, Ishma?
1 second, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Ishma.
Sir,
Correct.
729.
Yes, Ishma. So we'll do the fourth one also, Ishma. Just fourth root means this cube root will call, no? So it became power 1 by 3. Square root means power 1 by 2. Fourth root means what? Power 1 by 4, like that.
Yes, sir.
So now if I do this one, I have to write it as 36 square. Fourth root means it is nothing but 36 square power 1 by 4. Now next step is 36 power 2 into 1 by 4. A power n whole power n, a power n. So now 36 can be written as 6 square Nashma. Actually prime factorization we should write, but 6 square we know it 36 is a number, no? So that's 36 power 2 by 4. Now what I'll do is 36 is 6 square. So 2. Now these two will get multiplied using a power m whole power n. In the second step also we use this only. So it will become 6 power 2 into 2 by 4. So 2 2s are 2 2. So answer is 6 power. Any doubt? Once check it.
No, sir.
Because fourth root means power 1 by 4, 36 square. A power m whole power n we apply 2 by 4 it become. And 36 is 6 square and that 2 into 2 4 and 4 get got cut over 6. Then similarly, now what I have to write for this, can you tell Ishma? Same way like this, what I have to write?
Sir,
Ninth root means?
sir, 1 by 9.
Yes, Ishma, nice. So it will become now, this one I have to write it as 125 power 3 whole power 1 by 9. Now, a power m whole power n. A power m n. So it will become 5 cube whole power 125 power 3 into 1 by 9, 3 by 9. Now 125 prime factorization. 5 cube. So 5 cube whole power 3 by 9. So which is 5 power 3 into 3 by 9. So 5 power 9 by 9. Which is 5 power 9. Any doubt issue?
No, sir.
Issue. Shall I delete it, Ishwa?
Hello, sir.
Hello? Shall I delete it?
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Oh, I missed it. It will become here 5 cube and in 5 power 3 into 3 by 9 is 5 power 9 by 9 for 1, which is 5. This is 125 is 5. Any doubt, Ishwa?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, you can delete, sir.
Okay, Ishwa. Then we read this one. Convert the following radical forms to exponential forms. Actually, this one is also not there in our, because anyways, it is just okay, Ishwa. I'll tell it. No problem. Radical forms to exponential forms is nothing but Ishwa. You have to write in this power form. This is square root, no? So if it will go to the exponent, it will become power 1 by 2. That much one.
Yes, sir.
Like before, if it's cube root, power 1 by 2. That is only the exponential form for this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So anyway, 101 we cannot prime factorize. That's why that will only be the answer for it.
Yes, sir.
Then b bit also, this is 7th root. So it will become 53 power by 5 whole power 4 power 1 by 7.
Yes, sir.
Because 7th root, no, sure, that's right. So it will become 53 by 5 whole power. Now we can use which law? A power m whole power m. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. So 53 power 4 into 1 by 7. It will become 53 by 5 whole power. Any doubt, Esho? Once check.
No, sir.
That much only. But we cannot do anything because here 53 and 5 we cannot cut it, and also that we cannot prime factorize also anything to further solve. Okay, they asked
Yes, sir.
exponential form, so we wrote it as exponents finally. Okay,
Yes, sir.
then finally the first question, Ishwa, fill in the blanks. So once you read the question, Ishwa,
Sir?
once you read the question, Ishwa, first question.
Sir, yes, sir. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 in exponential form with base 4 is.
Yes, Ishwa. Yes, Ishwa. So 8 into 8 into 8 into exponential with base 4 it seems. So what I will do is, Ishwa, first I will write this 8 as each 8. Can I write it? Because since they said base as 4, Ishwa, I'll write each 8. The question is 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. No?
Yes, sir.
I'll write what I'll do is each 8 I'll write it as first 4 into 2, and then another 8 as 4 into 2, another 8 4 into 2, and one more 8 also as 4 into 2. Okay. Any rotation?
No, sir.
Now what I'll do is I'll bring all fours together and twos together. So if you see how many fours are there here already? 4 fours are there and 4 twos are there now.
Yes, sir.
So 4 fours means it is 4 power 4. Yes or no? Or else if you confuse me, I'll first club these two also. These two also 2 twos are 4 and the other 2 twos are 4. So how many fours came in total?
Sir, sir, 6.
6. So it become 4 power 6. Which law? Because these has no powers means ones only, no?
Yes, sir.
So the bases are same, powers are like we can just add a power m into a power m, a power in place, and like that how many bases are there also can just add the powers if multiplication is there. So 4 power 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, like that how many fours are there? 6 are there. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 6 times 6. The answer is 4 power 6. So they asked exponential form with base 4. So clearly here we have base 4, no?
Yes, sir.
4 power 6. If base 2 means we'll directly do prime factorization of each number ratio. That is easy. 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 power 12 you get.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. That much only. Then next one 64. Once you read the B bit also ratio, shall I delete this?
Sir, once. Yes, sir. You can delete.
Okay.
Sir, you can delete, sir.
Okay, sure. Then 64. First one B bit ratio 64 into 64. So what I will do 64 with base 4 again. So that's why I'll directly check it with 4 only. 4. So if it is not with 2 means prime factorization will do. They said base 4. So I'm doing with 4 ratio.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then another 64. So this is nothing but 64 is nothing but now 4 cube. Okay. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
nothing but 4 power 3. And this is also nothing but 4 power 3. So a power m into a power m plus n. So can you tell what I have to write as for now? 4 power 4 power 6.
Yes, sir.
4. This is only the answer. So this sheet is finished, Ishwar. So this actually the bits which we done now, Ishwar, completely in all the ways, like how to write it as exponential negative power to positive, how the fraction has a negative power means how we make it positive. Just will reciprocate and make the positive power. So how we did the prime factorization, everything if you see, and these sums and equation sums are important. For these ninth one, okay.
Yes, sir.
So how we did that ninth one also I explained you. We have to make the bases same finally, and in that process you have to find out the x value. Eighth and ninth one is that model wherein the power variable will be given and then you have to find out. So we'll do few more sums. Sure. Actually, there is one thing called standard form. Sure. You will get it in one marker. Okay. So I'll
Yes,
explain
sir.
about standard form also in the last 10 minutes. For example, 22nd question is there. This one. express the following numbers in standard form. So simply what you have to do is, Ishwa, here, you need to shift the decimal. What did I? So that one you wrote it, Ishwa, the B beta, first one,
Sir,
4 power. That first question you wrote it, huh?
yes, sir.
So express the following numbers in standard form. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to shift the decimal, Ishwa, here. Nothing but you have to shift the decimal until where you have to shift in such a way that before decimal, finally one non-zero digit should come. Non-zero means other than zero anything.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So one from the existing place, how many places you are shifting? Once counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why I am stopping here? Because I'm keeping the decimal in such a way that before decimal one non-zero number, 5. Non-zero number is 1 here.
Yes, sir.
So how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From the existing decimal places, 9 places I moved right side. So finally it will become 1.5 into 10 power 9 places I move, so minus. If 8 places I move, minus. 6 places I move, minus 6, like that. Okay, sure. Then there are questions with positive power also. Positive power also, in that question thing also, process is same, but positive power when it will come is when the given number is more than 1. More than 1 means bigger. Like for example, 1500 is there. 1500 if they ask in standard form, it will become originally 1500 has no decimal, no?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to keep a decimal, I can write like this, no? 1500.0.
Yes, sir.
Then I have to shift the decimal this side now. Until where? Until before decimal one non-zero digit should come. 1, 2, 3. Here. So 1.5. How many places did I shift? 1, 2, 3. This time into 10 power positive power will come. Because 1500 is more than 1. Like that I will ask students to remember easily, because bigger numbers will get positive power, smaller numbers will get negative. Smaller numbers means less than 0. Less than 0 means less than 1.
Yes, sir.
We write in powers of 10. Bigger numbers, if you write in powers of 10, you will get positive power. So here now, can you tell the answer for this issue, second bit? Same way. How I did the first one, same way.
Uh, sir, 1, sir, 1.425 into 10 minus 7.
Once we'll count the places, Ishwa, from here, no?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no? 1,
8, sir.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From the existing decimal place. So it
Yes,
is minus 8. Until where? Until before decimal 1 non-zero digit.
yes,
Okay.
sir.
So can you tell the answer for this issue now? One more I am giving. 0.0062004.
Sir, 6 point,
Is Ishwa 6 point?
2005
Yes, Yashva.
into 10,
Into 10 power
10 power 3, minus 3.
minus 3. Bigger numbers, that is greater than 1 numbers, you'll get positive power, Yashva. 0 point means it is less than 1, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Yashva. That is correct. So this is 100% question. Standard form question will come in either multiple choice or any other in the between paper. Shall I
Yes, sir.
delete it, Yashva?
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Okay, sure.
Sir, you can delete.
Yes, Yashva. Then 21st one, find the value of m for which 2 power m divided by 2 power minus 4 is equal to 4 power 5. So Yashva, again same. 2 power m, 2 power minus. This is already their prime numbers. We cannot do further anything, no?
Yes, sir.
So we can apply, this is basis or which law we can apply, Yashva, for LHS, can you tell?
Sir,
Can you tell which law can we apply for this LHS?
sir, sir, a power, sir, a power m divided by a power m is equals to a power m minus n.
A power m divided by a power s, Yashva, nice. So we can use that law and we can write it as 2 power. What I have to write, Yashva? 2 power
2 power m minus of minus 4.
s, Yashva, is equal to. Now, as of now, we'll write this as 4 power 5. So the law which we used is a power m divided with a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Now, Ishwa, since LHS base is 2, RHS also we can make it base 2. So, but before that, here minus of minus will become 2 power. What will become, Ishwa? 2 power m?
2 power m, m plus 4.
Yes, Ishwa. Is equal to 4. We'll write it as base power 2, Ishwa. Prime factorization of.
Yes, sir.
So, which is 4 is equal to 2 square. So, can I write it 2 square, Ishwa?
Yes, sir.
Whole power?
Sir,
So, 2 power? This is why you're asking it out.
no, sir.
Yes, Ishwa. So, 2 power, what will become now?
M plus 2 square.
No, this one means we cannot do m plus 4, that will be like that only. This part, which law we can apply, Ishwa?
Sir, a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn.
Yes, yes, that is correct. Then 2 power, it will become what I have to write, Ishwa, now?
Sir,
What I have to write now? 2 power?
sir, 2 power 2 into 5.
Yes, Ishwa. How much can I write directly? 2 into 5?
That 10, sir.
Yes, Ishwa. So now you can say Ishwa bases are same. Equation
Yeah.
is that when bases are same in an equation, we can equate the powers. So I have to write n plus 4 is equal to 10. So m is equal to, is Ishwa?
Sir, m is equal to 10 minus 4.
Yes, Ishwa, that is correct. Means m is equal to
6, sir.
this much. Shall I delete it, Ishwa?
Yes, sir.
Then 20th one, Ishwa. So you can tell these answers here itself. They are small ones only. 20th first one. 4 power 0. How much
Sir,
Ishwa?
1.
4 power 1 plus 4 power minus 1.
Sir, 1 by 4. All power
1 by
1.
4. Or 1 by 4 power 1 means 1 by 4 only, no?
Yes, sir.
Because a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n into 2 square is how much, Ishwa?
Sir, 4.
Yes, Ishwa. Now 1 plus 1 by 4. How to add it?
Sir,
LCM.
yeah.
Addition is again LCM.
Yes, sir.
So this is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 4. So into 4 into. So it will become. Why I did into 4 into 4, Ishwa, can you tell?
Sir, to get common denominator.
Yes, Ishwa. This is 4 anyways, into 1 into 1. We need not write it. The beside one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 4 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which is 5 by 4. Here already followed it into 4 is there beside. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that 4 and this 4 will get cut. So the answer is. Any doubt, Ishwa?
No, sir.
Okay, Ishwa. Then finally, I think say 20th second bit, Ishwa now.
Yes, sir.
So here also, can you tell the negative powers, Ishwa, what I have to write now?
Sir, 1 by 3 into 1 by 9. Sir,
3 power
divide.
minus 1. 1 by 3, 1 3 minus power 9 power minus 1 will become 1 by 9 divided with 3 power minus 2 will become.
Sir, 1 by 3 power 2.
Because all of them we have written it based on a power minus n is equal to 1 by now.
Yes, sir.
1 by 3 into 1 by 9 we cannot cut anything. So 1 by
Okay, sir.
27 divided with 1 by 3 square is how much, Ishwa?
Sir, 3 square is 9.
So finally this will become 1 by 27. Division will become multiplication
9 by 1, sir.
into 9 by 1. So 9 ones are 9 threes.
9 3, sir.
So answer is 1 into 1 by 3 into 1, which is 1 by. Any doubt, Ishwa?
Oh, sir.
Then third bit, Ishwa, shall I delete this?
Yes, sir.
Third bit, can you tell directly, Yeshua, what I have to get?
Sir, it's one, sir, entire answer.
It's Yeshua. Why Yeshua?
Sir, because 0 is there. Oh,
Yes, Yeshua. This individually, if we solve also, no time waste only, because whole power 0 is there. So because of
yes,
that,
sir.
it is, because of that reason, it is 1, because anything whole power answer is 1 itself. A power 0 is 1, whole power 0.
Yes, sir.
Shall I delete it, Yeshua?
Yes, sir.
So similarly, again, these are also Yeshua, positive, simplify and express in positive power notation with positive exponent, it seems. They particularly mentioned positive exponent. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now what I have to do, first we'll make the this direct Yeshua. This is direct. Can you tell which law?
Sir, a power m by a power, sorry, a power m by b power, sorry, a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n.
Yes, Yeshua. So minus 2 power 5 minus 4 minus 2 power 1. Okay. So a power m divided with a power n is equal to, or a power m by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. That is the law. So this is minus 2 power 1, anyways, positive power 1, positive exponent 1.
Yes, sir.
So next one is. So the next one, which law can we use?
Sir, a power m by a power m by b power m is equals to a by b power m.
But Ishwa multiplication is there, no?
Sir, yes, sir, sorry, sir. A power m into b power m is equals to a b.
Is equal to AB whole power n.
Yes, sir.
So it will become 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 whole power 2. So 2 will get cut here. Become 1 by 5. We have to leave it here only, Ishwa, for this. Why? Because the reason is power notation is like. Okay? Positive power notation, no?
Yes, sir.
That's why we got anyways positive power there. The next one. Minus 5 whole square. Which law we can use, Ishwa, for this? Because here, anyways, I will write this as minus 5 whole square into 3 by 5 is there. So, can I write this as minus 5 whole square? Can I directly make it as, because negative square means positive only, no, Ishwa.
Sir?
Negative square means it is positive only, no?
Yes, sir.
Because minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So 5
Yes,
square, this can I write this as 5 square by 5 into 3, Ishwa?
yes, sir.
Because that 5 in multiplication, if I write it for this, so that it is same. So now for this, which law? 5 a power m by a power m minus n. This 5 has no power means 1 now. So it will become 5 power 2 minus 1 into 3. Which law? This law. A power m. Here I have used a power m divided by a power m. A power m minus. Any doubt, Yashwant?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, sure. So finally, this will become 5 power 2 minus 1, which is 5 power 1 into 3 power 1, which is 15 power 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Ishwa?
No, sir.
No doubt, no? Ishwa, any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, sure. Then evaluate 2 power minus 2. Can you tell the answers directly for the Ishwa? I think one.
Sir, 1 by 2 whole power 2.
This is 2 power minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 power 2, which is 1 by 2 into 2. A power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. For all of them, it is same. Similarly, this one also it is. Can you tell the answer, Ishwa? Minus 2 power minus 2 is equal to what I have right?
Sir, 1 by 2. Sir, 1 by minus 2.
1 by minus 2 power
2, sir.
is Ishwa.
Sir, 1 by minus 2 power 2.
Is Ishwa. So 1 by minus 2 into minus 2. So minus 2 to minus 2 is
Sir, plus 2.
Ishwa
Sir, 4.
multiplication.
Oh,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
sorry.
Minus and minus plus 2 into 2,
Sir,
4.
4.
Yes, yes. And finally, the next one. This one you can tell directly, Ishwa. Fraction is there means before I was telling easy way, just reciprocate it and make it positive.
Yes, sir. 2 by 3 whole power 5.
Yes, yes. Same law. 2 by 3
Yes.
whole power. No? I think no doubt, Ishwa.
No, sir.
Okay, sure. Finally, the reciprocal of 0.1. Actually, 0.1 first we'll write it as fraction, Ishwa. What is fraction form of 0.1 if I write it fraction 0.1?
Sir, 1 by 10.
Yes, Ishwa. Reciprocal they're asking for that.
Sir, 10 by 1.
Just 10. So indirectly answer is 10.
Yes, sir.
Then 15th one. Minus 4 by power minus 10 into. So what we will do is, Ishwa, since already bases are same, we will not make this power positive.
Yes, sir.
So which law we can apply, Ishwa?
Sir, uh, a power m into a power n is equals to a power n plus n.
Is the Ishwa. So it will become minus 4 power.
Sir, minus 10 plus 5.
Is the Ishwa. So it will become minus 4 power
Sir, 5.
plus 5, Ishwa, or
Sir, minus 5, sir.
plus minus 10. So minus 5. So it will become, we'll write it as positive power, Ishwa, and we'll end the answer. So we'll end the answer with positive power most of the time in any question. So if I write positive power, what is the answer, Ishwa?
Sir, can we do a 1 by minus 4 whole power 5?
Yes, Ishwa, that is correct. So we have used in the starting step a power n into a power n is equal to a power m plus n used. And in the ending step, use a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Since power 5 is bigger, so we can leave it like that, not a problem.
Yes, sir.
1 by minus 4, 1 by minus 4 power 5. So one more sum will do, ratio 14 minus 1. It will become same ratio. Here 5 by 8, 8 by 5. What we will do is we'll make only one of them positive power. This one I think similar one will use in previous sheet. This will become 8 by 5 whole power plus 7. No?
Yes, sir.
Other one I am not disturbing. It will be same. So you can see bases are same. Powers get added. So it will become 8 by 5 whole power 7 plus, when multiplication is there, 7 plus minus 5. So it will become 8 by 5 whole power 7 minus 5 and 8 by 5 whole power 2, which is 8 by 5 into 8 by. So here we used a power minus n is equal to the starting step 1 by a. Using that I wrote that as like this. Okay, sure.
Yes,
So
sir.
last step we'll do 1/13th one and we'll end the class. 2 by 3 value of 2 by 3 whole square means it is we'll directly write it as positive power. Okay. Using a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. So 3 by 2 whole square means 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. Any doubt, Ashwa?
No, sir.
Which is 9 by 4. Okay. So these will be sufficient. I think all the most of the models we covered, Ashwa. Means this procedure only will be there, Ashwa, completely.
Yes,
Okay, once
sir.
you can all the Ashwa. So here actually completely you will have this procedure only. If you see any textbook question, you have solution also. Once if you observe the steps, you'll understand now with this knowledge.
Yes,
Okay, if
sir.
any typical question is there also, how they are making the powers positive, how they are converting those things, all that just if you notice it, if you observe any question also, you can do it. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I will send all these screenshots, Ishwa. So if you have any doubts also, once if you check the steps, you will understand because every sum I wrote everywhere the law of exponent also which we used.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think you will understand. Okay, so you have any other doubt, Ishwa, in this?
No, sir.
What we did today? Okay. So again, we will do it in our next class, Ishwa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ishwa. Bye, Ishwa.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, Ishwa. Yes, Ishwa.